Okay, for example 2, this time we have 2 in front and we have 1/2 in front of x. So we have both a b value and a c value to deal with. Once again, I got my y-axis with my 2 dashes. I got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equally spaced dashes along the x-axis. I can see this time that b's value is equal to positive 2, which means that the stretch constant is equal to 2. And again, all that does for me is tell me where to go up and down on the y-axis to represent, how high up I go for that dot. The other thing I can see here is that c's value is equal to 1/2, which means my period on this one is going to be pi over 1/2, which equals 2 pi. And just like before, I'm going to warn you, when there's divided by a fraction, get that reciprocating multiplication in your head there. So divide by 1/2 means times 2. A lot of times people see divided by 1/2 and they just do 1/2 pi, and all of a sudden you get a messed up graph. So 2 pi is the period, 1 full period. We're going to go through 2 full periods, so we're actually going all the way to 4 pi. Our per dash this time is going to be 2 pi over 4, better known as pi over 2. So we're going up by pi over 2 on the x-axis. And again, once you get that determined, then it's just a matter of putting the asymptotes in and then putting the dots where they belong, connecting the dots properly. So first dash, second dash, asymptote. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth dash, asymptote. There we go. First dash and fifth dash, we go to positive b. Positive b is whatever the number starts off as, so positive b is positive 2. First and fifth dash. Third and seventh, we go to negative b, so 1, 2, third dash, negative b. 4, 5, 6, seventh dash, negative b. And the remaining 3 dashes, which is dash 0, the origin, dash 4, and dash 8, we can put zeros. And again, if we draw the middle, it makes it easier for us to see what the rest of it looks like. So I'm going to go kind of turning down and then turning back up. And it kind of has that, it's called concave down. So if it's bending, so downward like that, concave down there, concave up here, continues up, continues down. This little piece here should match that, so we kind of try and match those. And this little piece here should match this part, so we're going to try and match that. Just extend the lines a little bit further there, just to show that it continues on forever. That'll be